Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered, and welcome back to another video. And I'm in Tekamah, Nebraska, town I live in, at our every other year car show put on by Cruisers. Chuck, he's the car dealer in town, and this year, and I'll pan the camera around here in a bit, but we've got over 100 cars here this year. Last year, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of around 60, and so it's exceeded that. It's a beautiful day, hardly a cloud in the sky, and there are, right now, I can see there are two Mercedes-Benz here. Mine being one of them. You can probably see it in the background way over there. In addition to that, my Thunderbird. But more importantly, there's a lot going on here. The classes of cars have changed a little bit, so there's not very much representation of European cars, but this year they've got the categories in years, and if it's modified or not modified. But I also want to point out too, there's a raffle going on today, and this is for anybody in the United States from an organization, I believe it's based out of Omaha, Dog Tags Garage, and I bought a raffle ticket because they're giving away, I believe he said, an 81 Corvette on this raffle. And you can go to dogtagsgarage.org or it'samissionpossible.org, and you can do this actually online. And I'm also going to put a QR code on the video as well, promoting this. It's for veterans and so forth, so that's something that anybody can do. Buy a raffle ticket for a chance to win a Corvette. So also through this video, I'm going to my daughter's bringing over the drone, and so Yui's here. He's somewhere over by the car. We're going to get some drone footage of this car show. Like I said, this year, this one has turned out to be probably one of the better car shows in Tekamah. You know, we're out here in the park on the grass. We've got some music in the background. It's just, a lot of camaraderie here. So a lot of good people, a lot of cars from all over. In fact, there's a Thunderbird right next to my Mercedes that's actually from O'Neill, Nebraska. He drove down this morning. A beautiful 58 Thunderbird, which I wouldn't mind having. It's and it's made to be driven. So I'm gonna pan the camera around a little bit and have you take a look at the car. What's going on here. And as you see, we've got a good representation, a lot of American muscle cars here. And, we got a lot of local people have come out to view the car show. And then we have, there's people from counties all over. So I'm going to let you enjoy the drone video as we produce it. And then we'll just commentate along the way. And there is judging on this on this car show. So, in those classes, if it was just European car, if I was just being judged on European cars, I'd probably win because there's only two of us here, and one was a modified 380 SL with a 5-liter engine put in it, made to be driven as a roadster. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I appreciate everybody watching. And I'm going to shut up for a little bit and let the drone video play. welcome back. So there you have it, folks, and I hope you enjoyed the pictures of the cars as we've gone around and showed you the show. I hope you enjoyed. If you came out to the show, put a thumbs up. If you like the content, please hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. As you can see, my 380 or my 350 SL over there, while it's not perfect, it is in the show, and I drove it over here. So that's one car that runs and drives and actually did pretty good over the 10 blocks that I drove it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And again, if you want a chance at a raffle, dogtagsgarage.org, $20 for a raffle ticket to win a Corvette. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and be safe out there. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?